Hey everyone, AJ here. I wanted to create a new tutorial because we just released a new update, stackFrame 1.4 this week. And in stackFrame 1.4's update, we have two new components. The first new component is the forgot password component and the CMS password protection component. Okay. So what this means is on the forgot password, you can drag and drop forgot password into this component into your website, and you automatically add the ability to reset your email. Reset your password. Then we also have CMS password protection. So this is a really cool component. This means you can add a customized password for each individual page in your CMS. So in this tutorial, what we're going to do is go through forgot password first, and then in part two, we're going to go through the CMS password protection. So what I have right here already is two pages set up for forgot password. I have an auth page, which is blank, and a forgot page, which is blank. So what I'm going to do first is actually drag in my forgot password, and that's okay. We usually drag it into a frame so it scales better. And we're going to make this like 400 pixels. And come down here, and the button width, pull this out. It's going to be 25%. And just so you guys know, this is a new component, so I am already working on grouping these styles together so it's easier to style. All right, so we got all that done for forgot password. Just like that, we've added it to our Framer website. There's no coding, nothing, that we have to do. We've just successfully added it to our password to our website. So the next thing I want to do is head on over to auth, and I'm going to drag in the auth component. So let's just do sign in for now. And then last but not least, I have to head on over to my stackFrame project page, which is right here. And as you can see, we have instructions, whatever, but what we really need is this project ID. Copy that, head back on over to our website. Oh, paste this project ID right there. And boom, we have sign in set up, just like that. Literally drag and drop an auth component into your Framer website, copy and paste the project ID, and you have authentication just like that. So what I'm going to do now is add the forgot password link. I'm going to drag this, and I'm going to add a link to this, and we're going to send this to forgot. Okay. So let's go ahead and publish this. Okay, updated. And let's try signing in. Oh wait, it's what's the email did I use? There it is. Okay. Which is my other app. Sign in. Oh, wrong password. I forgot my password. No problem. Okay. And then we're going to click send. Head on over to our email. And like I said, I will be customizing this to set these reset password emails are a little bit more custom to your project for your users. But I come in here and just like that, save. You successfully changed your password. Let's head on back to our password page here, and I'm going to log in now. It's going to say that when I click sign in here, that the page isn't found, and that makes sense because we didn't go into our Framer, our auth component and say, hey, we want to, maybe if I do this, something like this, forgot. Okay, we'll send it to the forgot password page, and I'll just re-update this. And then we're sent to the forgot password page. So I just reset my password, and we literally just drag and drop like two components in here to set this flow up, and we did this in under 5 minutes thanks to stackFrame.